Today, on Boxing Day, my family and cousins went to visit the cherry field. It was a 45-minute drive to get there. When we got there, the staffs gave us buckets to hold our fruit inside. Now we are passing the strawberry field because there weren't much strawberries. We are walking towards the cherries. We arrived at the sour cherries. We tried some, but it was too sour.
Okay. Sour.
Sour the butter char, sour kata. Get that again?
Put that. That did now got a bear. See ya, bear. Yeah. Okay. Eat. You like it? It's sweet or
Sour.
sour, yeah?
Ew. Stop back. Have a kid on that.
So we went to the other side, where there was ripe cherries. But there weren't much, so we had to try and find them.
The teeth and the knee. I'm going to get that too. My love, I get you.
Nó qua lấy thi. A bear này. A bear này mới gần khai chả.
Got it.
Tell me. You like it or not? Bear. Bear no? Thằng này muốn ăn thịt rồi à? Thịt là nó là gì? Bear. Nè muốn ăn thịt này được cái nào vậy đâu cả?
Thì bác của nhà nó lấy.
Nè.
Thằng nó gớp rồi.
À, thì là lì.
Cái nó vào đi.
Ở sau này nào.
Bear. Bear này mới gần khai chả.
Nhưng mà cái chim mà.
Nè. Đó tri lê. Đâu vậy à? Này bắp lại vậy à? Nó đi. Bear.
là
เล่นสัจจะเลยที่นี่คิวเลยดิดิสข้าบารถเต็นหนึ่งยี่พูดได้ โอเคนักว่าแล้วอคอที่เนี่ยอัตรามีเราชื่อเนี่ยมาอย่างเงี้ยพวกกูเต่าอันนี้อยู่บนให้สอนดัดเด้อเลย
bà gạt thầy nhà lọt từ lo khó thì đó thôi nó kịp la lên nó kịp la đâu ai được chút gì
เชอรี่
Okay, A is for who?
Huh?
A is for
Effort. A for effort.
Alfred.
โอเคดีนี่ได้จ้าเลยนะ
nó phải cái thoát cái bán là nó cũng ngoài
Belly. Partner.
cái belly check cái sao
ไอ้พวกแกติดดีแล้วที่กูบอกกี่หีบวิ่งอ่ะแต่เนี่ยดีว่าแต่หนูหีบวิ่งเสกคนนี้ออดูluหีบวิ่งว่ะล่ะน่าจะรอดแค่แล้ว
weekly à cái chor kilo này đắt kilo này
Ew, it's sweaty. It is so sweaty.
thằng nào cứ ba một thằng nào kìa
tức là bao lâu
tức là đeo cherry
เล่นว่าเล่นโดนดูละเชอรี่เนี่ย
ini you pop ani you pop ini you wa sắp qua
Phạt là phạt, chắc lắm nhiều của nó phạt là phạt. Anh phụ vào phạt thôi đấy em ơi.
là ăn thọ ăn cái tư ăn thọ
After that, we went to the nectarine farm, but we didn't pick any because we didn't like them.
This is an apple.
I did hear somebody say my name.
A black bat.
bat bạn sao
There we saw 2 fruit bats. We took plenty of pictures, and it was really fun.
ta mình chỉ chỉ cả ba mình chỉ
At the cherry field, we gained experience and learned how cherries were made, and how fun it is to pick cherries instead of buying them from a local market. Then we returned home.